We all know that Google Veo 3 often syncs audio with subtitles automatically, but sometimes those subtitles appear even when we don't want them.
All right, so today's challenge, hide and seek. Me versus Bigfoot. Loser makes dinner.
So, how to remove subtitles from a Google Veo 3 video. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple ways to remove those unwanted subtitles. No complex editing needed. Let's get started. Method 1. Using CapCut. Start by importing your video into CapCut and placing it on the timeline.
Versus Bigfoot. Loser makes dinner.
Next, crop the area where the subtitles appear.
Today's challenge, hide and seek. Me versus Bigfoot. Loser makes dinner.
Then, reposition the video to keep it centered or aligned as needed. Now, export the final video. And just like that, the subtitles are gone.
All right, so today's
Keep in mind, though, this method trims part of the frame, which might not be ideal for every clip. Method 2. Using HitPaw VikPea for a cleaner result without cropping. Try this method. Launch HitPaw VikPea and go to the AI toolbox, then select Watermark Removal. Import your video, then highlight the subtitle areas you want to remove. Make sure to scrub through the entire timeline, especially if the subtitles change or appear at different moments. Once everything is selected, preview the result. You'll see the subtitles are cleanly removed. If it looks good, close the preview and export your video. And that's it.
Hide and seek. Me versus Bigfoot. Loser makes dinner.
If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.